Let me show you how to create a profile on your MDM. This is where you will set the display and sound, the synchronization frequency, the production mode to secure your device, the connectivity status, the app you want on your devices, the software update policy, and more details. To create a profile, you need to go on Profiles and click on New. You can name it as you want. For this video, we'll name it Payment Profile. You can even add a comment if you like. Choose your sync frequency. The sync frequency will schedule an automatic update between your device and the MDM. Choose the device mode. The production mode is a secured field mode where the user will not have access to the settings. In the developer mode, the user will have access to the Android settings. We recommend that you use it only for debug or troubleshooting. Choose one custom identification option. The custom identification will allow you to easily identify your device with a short text. This text will be displayed on the MDM device list and on the device's dashboard. It can be your internal identification number or the name of the owner's device, for example. You can also activate the option where the device owner edits the custom identification straightly from his device, or where the MDM user edits the device custom identification only from the MDM. Next step, select your language option from keeping device setting to control it from the MDM. Here, we'll keep the device setting. You can also choose one option for the time zone. The default setting will be the automatic network provided time zone, but you can set it to keep the device settings or MDM controlled. Now, click on Next and have fun with display and sound settings. Choose and determine the sleep after inactivity and the ring volume options, device controlled or MDM controlled. You have the possibility to add a boot animation each time your device starts. It can be a static image or an animation. By default, it is set like this, but it can be changed into your logo. We'll cover this in another video. Click on Next. Now let's set your connectivity. You'll have 3 choices for each feature. The first one is disabled from the MDM. It will be when the end user will not be able to change it from the device. The second option, device controlled. It will let the end user configure it. And third choice, enabled from the MDM. It will be when the end user won't be able to change it from the device. For this video, I want everything enabled and controlled from the MDM. You'll see popping new options while enabling features. For the NFC, you can set the Android beam. It can be useful to transfer data, but if you don't need it, disable it. Otherwise, you'll hear this every time 2 devices are next to each other. For location, you can select 3 location modes according to your needs. Device only is using GPS only. The location accuracy is good for outdoor usage. This option may consume more battery. Battery saving is using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular network. The location accuracy is okay. This option does not consume much battery power. It works indoor but requires network connectivity. High accuracy is using everything to give you the best location accuracy. This option may also consume more battery. If your business requires more regular location fixes, you can enable those features. Now you have 2 new tabs for Wi-Fi and mobile data to set all your detailed settings. Now it's time to add some applications to run your business. You can now select your app from the drop-down list. You'll find the logo of the app, the label, the package name, the package version name, and the package version code. This can help you when you have new versions of the same app in your library. Auto-launching an app means that the app will immediately pop up and won't be able to be shut down by the end user. To activate that option, you just need to click on the star next to the app logo. On the last tab, you'll be able to choose the software update policy you've created. In a few words, the software update is a firmware over-the-air feature, allowing you to upgrade your Famoco OS version with the latest features and security patches. But we won't detail this today, it's for an upcoming video. There you are, you're all set now. You can update your profile at any time and all your devices assigned to it will update themselves during the next synchronization. Your next steps will be assigning a fleet to this profile, then assigning your devices to this fleet.